Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, today's video I'm going to be reviewing a unit from The Wig, and I'm kind of excited to review it because I haven't had a wig like this in a minute, and it's the 13x6 full frontal unit. Now with a full frontal unit, you're going to get so much parting space. It's going to give you the flexibility to part your hair deep on the sides if you want to. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and look at this unit. This is a Body Wave natural color unit. This is their HD Skin Melt lace, and the knots on the units do come bleached and the hairline is plucked. Now what makes this unit unique is that it is a 13x6 full frontal lace, and that means you're going to have 13 inches of lace across the front of the hairline, and the lace is going to go back 6 inches. This is going to allow you a lot more flexibility with styling your unit. Now, this hairline comes deeply plucked, and it is a little lower than I like it. So what I'm going to do is just pull out some of the hair from the front. I'm not plucking it. I'm literally just pulling it out. Now, if you choose to do this, make sure you're just being a little gentle with it. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to cause any holes. Now I am going to lay this unit down using my Even New York lace spray, just because y'all already know that's just what I like to use. It gives me the perfect amount of hold. My unit typically lasts around 5 days. It can go a little longer with slightly touch-ups in between. Now I'm going to lay it down using my elastic band, and I'm just going to put that on for about 5 or 10 minutes just to get that lace to melt in with my skin. Now I am showing you guys the lace part in space a little bit here, just so you guys can get an idea of how far back the full frontal lace goes. Now when I say full frontal, don't confuse it with a full lace unit, because a full lace unit is full lace throughout the entire unit. This one is exactly what it says, full frontal. So the front part of the unit is going to be filled with lace, and that is going to allow you to have the deep parts and allow more customized styling that you would normally have with your own hair. Now I am laying down this unit, taking my time, using my hot comb. You guys know I like to tell y'all, take the time to press your hair all the way throughout in the front. You don't want to just press the top of the unit. I mean, you can just press the top of the unit if that's what you want to do. But if you want like a really nice flat install, it's going to take you a little bit more time. It's going to take you about a little 10 minutes extra to do this. But in my opinion, the extra time is worth the reward, because it's going to be a lot more natural looking, and it's going to look a lot more sleek, and it's not going to be like puffy on the top like sometimes wigs can look. Now, I'm going to let you guys see what this unit looked like just straight. And you guys, if you watch my channel, y'all know I don't really wear straight units too much, just because I don't know. I just don't really like how they look on me too much. I don't know. I just don't feel like they flatter my face shape. Okay, so this is the hair installed with me wearing it simply straight. I really was trying to think of a hairstyle I could wear that will utilize the parting space, like maybe braided or something. But I'm fresh out. Y'all know I keep it simple. I don't really do too much when it comes to hairstyles. But what I am going to do is I'm going to add some crimps to this hair to give it a little bit more, I don't know, pizzazz or something. But I'm going to show y'all how y'all can add some volume to your hair if you want to by adding some crimps. Scratch that. I'm going to save that for another day. I'm going to go ahead and add some loose curls to this hair to give it a little bit more body. So what I wanted to do with this install was just add some loose curls. And when I say loose curls, I mean just that. So I'm taking my curling iron. I think it's about a 1.5 inch curling iron. I'm not really sure, but I'll have it linked in the description box. And I'm just adding some curls, and I'm not holding this curls too long. I'm curling it and releasing it. And it's gonna add the perfect amount of wavy texture that I'm looking for. Now, I did decide to go ahead and add some baby hair to this unit. Y'all know baby hairs is not my forte, so I am not the expert of baby hairs. I'm just gonna do what I could do. Hope y'all enjoy it. Now, my final tip for getting a flat install is that when you're finished hot combing the top of the hair is to take your hairspray and lightly, when I say lightly, spray the top of your hair and hold it down with your hand for about 20 seconds. And this is going to help the top of your hair stay flat. It'll also maintain that flatness if you reinstall this unit before washing. The wig that I'm wearing is in a medium cap size, and the website says it's 22.5 inches. And I have to agree because it does fit a little big on my head. My head is naturally 22 inches. Now, the website does say that it does come in small and larger sizes, but you will have to contact them directly. Okay, dolls, so that's all I'm going to do with this hair. I just wanted to add some light curls to it. I didn't want them to be extra hard because I wanted to actually lay. Like, I wanted to flow. I wanted to flow as the same way that the straight hair flow, but just with a little bit more volume. This unit is in 22 inches. I'm going to stand up really quickly so you can see where this lays on me. So they originally said they was going to send me the 180% density unit. Somehow I ended up with the 150% density unit. I don't know what happened there. I honestly wish they would have sent me the 180% density unit because I do prefer to have my unit to have a little bit more volume. However, this is more of like a natural density for those of you guys who prefer natural density units. Now, they did say they was going to have a special coupon code for my subscribers who purchase the full frontal units, where you're going to save an additional amount than offer the normal units. And I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen. It'll also be linked in the description box down below with everything else used in this video. So dolls, before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my other videos. You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.